Hello, beautiful viewers. You're welcome back to my page, and today we are learning this headwrap you are seeing right on my screen. Very simple. You know, we are here for DIY. Do it yourself. Come on, trust yourself. You can do it. Lay your hands on it and try it, and you're gonna testify that yes, you can do it. So, guys, just focus your eyes and see what I'm doing. Before I started this my voiceover, I was like, I didn't want to address my viewers as guys, and I can hear myself saying guys. Hey God, hope I can avoid this for today's video, just for today. Oh, and I've already said it. Let me see if I can manage to end this voiceover without saying guys again. Guys, oh. Just watch. I've said it. I've not even stopped and I've said, guys, okay, let's leave that, guys. So let's continue with this tutorial. So you just pick the other one like this. You've seen what I've done to the first one. If you wish, you can pleat everything, but I just want to put it like that. Just pleat like that and place on your head. You pleat everything before you put it on your head to make it more comfortable and easier for you to get them well aligned on your head. It will limit your stress for pleating. So pleat before putting on your head. So that place I'm holding, I'm using my office pin to tack it down, which means I'll be having excess, which I'll be working with soon. So that excess, I'm going to arrange it and I'll be firming it up with my elastic band. That's rubber band. So that's that. You can see how I'm picking it up, pick it up like that, and you use your elastic band to grab it. You see this material, if you have a very hard material, gele to lay, this will be very fine to come out well. You see this material has really suffered, and I'm gonna replace it soon. Yeah, I need to replace it very soon. So you see that, just bring these here like this and you place it on that pleat you made. Arrange it very well, take your time, arrange it, and you place it on that. Hope you have your office pin very close. Pick it up and you use your office pin to tack it down. It's like I'm trying. No, I didn't use. Have you observed? I've not mentioned that word though. I don't want to use it till I finish this video. Let me see if I can try. Oh, guys, I'm done with the head wrap. I'm just trying to adjust and adjust and adjust. You can see that it's super fast. Hey, it is very fast. My people, it is very fast. So I just shifted backward and I'll be using my brown to beautify it to cover that place that elastic band is showing. So if you don't have anything to cover it, I advise you use the color of your fabric as your elastic band. Now I'm done with the head wrap. I did not make use of that word. Hope you see you in my next video. Bye bye, my viewers.